I'm very thrilled to have so many people come out.
Now, what factory did you work at?
I worked at Linden MI Airplane Factory in Plant 2 in Baltimore, Essex. I always say Baltimore, Maryland, but it's Essex, Maryland, just right outside of us. They built the B-26.
B-26.
Yes.
That's really cool. And like, did they call you to do this, or were they advertising because the guys were out to war?
No. My when the war started, my uncle was too old to enlist, so he went down to Baltimore and he got a job. And he worked long enough that he became supervisor. And when he became a supervisor, I was still in high school. And he called my mother and said that he had a job for me if I wanted to quit school and go down there and work. And my mom said, well, it's up to her. So I told her, when do I go? So I went down and I worked down there in 43 and 44, last 43 and most of over a year and a half.
Wow. That is super cool.
And it was Linden MI Airplane Factory.
That is really cool. Well, thank you.
Did you get some of that too? I thought so.
Well,
Thank you.
nice to meet you, and thank you for your service.
Actually, it's a thrill. The only thing is, the first day I went to work, you had no, I didn't have to wear a uniform. Most of the girls had to wear uniforms. I didn't. I could go. And when I walked into that building and I looked down and I thought, oh my God, what did I get myself into? But when I walked in here, I didn't know what I was going to be doing. And when they led me to this desk, I said, this is your territory. I wasn't working on the machine. I was working on delivering the parts where they were supposed to go.
Wow. Did you wear a uniform like this?
No. But the girls did.
Oh, did they?
Oh yeah, everybody that worked on the machines worked. Yeah. I worked at the desk, so I could work.
Oh, you had the desk job. Ah, instead of the machine job.
I had 8 men in my group, and I had to make sure each one of those men had blueprints and a part. As soon as they were done with that part, I had to list it on a list for when the head bosses came down together, and I had to go and get them blueprint and another part.
So there were guys working then.
It wasn't physically, but mentally.
Right. So there were guys working the line then.
No, they weren't on the line. They were building parts.
Oh, okay.
They were building parts. I never told this very often because I was told never say when I was working, and I would keep that in my mind. No, I had parts like they were working for the front of the plane, working the steering wheel, driving the plane. I worked there on those parts, and I had to make sure that they had blueprints in the small part to do on the panel.
What's your name again? Oh. But yeah, thank you for coming. Really.
I got the membership as well. I'm getting spoiled. And then because what's really good about this is
Auxiliary and the American Legion Post of Linden, Post 119. Very, very much appreciate that you both took time out to come out and tell others about your stories and your lives. And we are so excited to have appreciation of your soul, your goodness, and that this is
Thank you so much. Yeah. So much